What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Diverse on another great evening, blessed evening. You know what I'm saying? Coming at y'all once again. You feel me? Have you ever felt like, you know, have you ever felt pretty much like when you going and working your 9 to 5, or if I don't know whoever got a 9 to 5 out there, but it was a time where I was working and like when I first started working 9 to 5 jobs, I was really young and ambitious and just wanting to make a check, you know what I'm saying? Just wanting to make a check. But as time went on, as I got a little older, as I got a little wiser, I started to kind of try to question my life and try to figure out what my purpose was. You know what I'm saying? It stopped becoming a question of what am I making or what's my wage or what am I making, but it started to become a question of what was I becoming there. You know what I'm saying? And I think that's the question that we all need to mostly ask ourselves when we're going about our 9 to 5 is, you know, and I'm not talking to the people out there that's, you know, that's comfortable and that's, you know, got a nice job and, you know, you probably been waiting on a job for a minute and you probably just came into a job. So I'm only talking to the people that feel that they have a different purpose other than just working the same job every day. You know what I'm saying? If you feel in your heart that that you have a bigger purpose or that you have bigger goals or something bigger that you should be doing, then you should. That's a real true feeling. You know what I'm saying? That's God's way of letting you know that I didn't just put you here just to be stagnated, to just do the same thing every day expecting something different. I put you here to discover yourself, to find yourself, to find your purpose, to find out who you are. You know what I'm saying? That's why God put you here. You know what I mean? So just take that in consideration. I ain't trying to talk your head off or trying to appear like I'm in a better position than anybody. No, because there's no big eyes, little U's in this life. Under God's eye, under the universe, ain't no big eyes, little U's, man. We all got different walks of journey, different walks of paths in our life. But if I can learn something in my path and I can share it to someone that I can help inspire or help kind of change their mentality or change and switch their mind to a more broader way of thinking, then that's what I feel like my purpose is. You know what I'm saying? So always question yourself. It's not what I'm making on the job. It's never what I'm making or how much I'm going to make. It's what am I becoming while I'm there making that money. What am I becoming? Am I moving towards something? Am I becoming better? Am I becoming stronger? Am I becoming wiser? Am I fulfilling my truest purpose in life? Or am I just living day to day, accepting what I feel is the right thing to do just because I got to pay my bills and stuff like that? You know what I'm saying? So just think about that. Subscribe to this video if you like what you hear. I'm dropping another video tonight. It's my first edited video with my family and my kids, and we're gonna be discussing credit. We're gonna be discussing how to become a member of Navy Federal, how to use your Rewards card, how to use your credit to help better your circumstances and put you in a better situation financially. Peace and love, y'all. Like and subscribe. Feel free to comment. I'm finna get on this run, get on this walk. Got my water with me. We finna get it. Peace and love.